Hello, I'm Jason. Are you looking for a bird cage or a bird stand? Well, I have both a bird cage and a bird stand for sale, and I'm here to show them to you and tell you a little bit about them. First, I will show you the bird cage. The bird cage is a great choice arch-top cage. It is ideal size for parakeets, finches, and canaries. The features are 2 natural wood perches, 2 4-ounce food water cups, and these are them right here. This door opens for food or water, and this opens too for the food or water, and then here's the main door that opens and closes. There is a removable tray with wire gate, and here's the removable tray. You just pull it all the way out, and that's removable. Hanger carry handle on top. Here's the handle, and it lifts so you can carry around the cage. It features great choice lantern, Lattice balls, and swing with jingle bells. Here is the lantern. There are the jingle balls. And here is the swing with jingle bells on it. Hideaway bamboo nest. That is the Hideaway bamboo nest right there. The sizing information is 15.7 inches long by 15.7 inches wide by 18 inches high. I am selling this for $40. I am located in the Chicago area, and shipping for this would be about $15 unless you live in the Chicago area, in which you can just come by and pick it up if you're interested in it. And I will now tell you and show you the bird cage reversible stand. Here's the stand for the bird cage. And let me tell you a little bit about it. It fits most bird cages with a 20 by 20 base size. It is powder coated, durable wire shelves, sturdy tubular metal frame, and it is 22 inches long by 20.25 inches wide by 30.25 inches high. I am selling this for $35, and shipping for this would be about $15. And if you live in the Chicago area, then there would be no shipping, because you could just come by and pick it up if you're interested. Once again, my name is Jason. I will have my email address on the posting for this video, and I will have my Twitter account. So if you are interested in purchasing either the bird cage or the bird stand or both, please contact me by my email or contact me by my Twitter account. And thank you very much for listening. Bye.